Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a component that's legendary in the world of high-fidelity audio. The LM4562 Dual High-Performance Audio Operational Amplifier. Specifically, we're talking about the LM4562NA model from National Semiconductor, which comes in a convenient pack of 20. This particular version, the LM4562NA NOPB, is designed for surface mount applications, which is a key detail for anyone planning to integrate it into modern circuit board designs. What makes the LM4562 so special, especially for audio? Well, its primary claim to fame is its ultra-low distortion. In audio circuits, distortion is the enemy of fidelity. It adds unwanted harmonics and noise, muddying the sound and making it less accurate to the original recording. The LM4562 is engineered to minimize this distortion to an almost imperceptible level, allowing the audio signal to pass through with exceptional clarity and transparency. This makes it a favorite among audiophiles and DIY enthusiasts building high-end preamplifiers, headphone amplifiers, active filters, and other critical audio stages. Being a dual operational amplifier means it contains two independent op-amps within a single package. This is incredibly useful for stereo audio applications, where you need separate processing for the left and right channels. It simplifies circuit design and layout compared to using two single op-amps. The high-performance aspect isn't just about low distortion. It also boasts high slew rates and wide bandwidth, ensuring that even complex audio waveforms are handled accurately and quickly, preserving dynamics and detail. The manufacturer, National Semiconductor, now part of Texas Instruments, has a strong reputation in the analog and audio IC space, and the LM4562 is one of their most celebrated contributions to audio quality. The fact that this is available in a pack of 20 is fantastic for anyone undertaking multiple projects, experimenting with different circuit topologies, or even for small-scale production. Having a supply of these high-quality components on hand is a real advantage. The surface mount package is standard for many modern electronics, offering space-saving benefits on PCBs. While it requires different soldering techniques than through-hole components, it's the norm in compact designs. The specification met, FCC, indicates compliance with certain regulatory standards, which is important for commercial products incorporating this IC. In essence, the LM4562NA is a cornerstone component for achieving truly high-fidelity audio reproduction. Its combination of dual channels, ultra-low distortion, and high performance makes it an excellent choice for demanding audio applications where signal integrity is paramount. For anyone serious about building or upgrading audio equipment, having a pack of these on hand is highly recommended. It's a component that consistently delivers on its promise of clean, accurate sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.